What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you something that completely changed everything for me in the meme coin market, and that is creating meme coins instead of trading them, because trading kept me on the wrong side of the market for way too long. I kept buying coins and getting dumped on over and over again. I lost thousands of dollars on every single coin that I bought. I'm sure most of you guys can relate to that. And that's exactly why I launched coins instead, and now I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month creating these coins. I am the one that is finding these narratives, launching the coins, and then cashing out on all the buyers. That's exactly how I make money. Today I am walking you through the entire process live on camera for free. I will show you exactly how to find a narrative, how to launch the coin, and then how to cash out, all for free in this video. Let's go. Now look at my Phantom wallet. I've made over $2 million in the past couple of years from deving coins, so I do know what I'm talking about. I am not here to lie or to LARP. I'm actually here to show you the method step by step for completely free. Now, the reason why most traders in this space are not profitable is because of the raw reality of these meme coins. These meme coins hold no actual value. When they are launched and created, they either go to zero or they dry out. It's the same exact story every single time, bro. It's annoying. They just pump and dump over and over again. Now, yes, you can make money if you scalp them from here to here, but most of the time you will lose money, bro. It's exactly how meme coins move. You cannot predict the price action, and that's exactly why I completely stopped trading and I switched to creating the coins instead. Now I am the one finding narratives online, launching the coin, waiting for buyers, and then just selling my supply into all the buying pressure. I make money from my supply, and I make money from every single buy and sell in my coin, because us as devs and creators, we take a fee from every single transaction, which is insanely profitable. You guys will see later on in this video when I launch a coin, but I will show you exactly how to find narratives, how to launch a coin, and then how to cash out. Everything will be said and done in this video without gatekeeping, without sending you a course, or without promoting some shitty affiliate link. I am not here to waste your time. I'm here to give you guys some sauce. And just to be clear, bro, yes, I do make money from deving. Okay, I am legit, but I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice. Do your own research, be cautious. It's all for educational purposes only. Now, a lot of people that are devs make their coins on Pump.Fun. I would say like basically everyone makes their coins on Pump.Fun, but the truth is that Pump.Fun is extremely oversaturated. There's a bunch of coins being created here and most of them go nowhere. That's why I make my coins on launchmemes.io instead. By launching your coins here, your meme coins are going to go to Radium. It's going to be immediately migrated and it's going to launch here, reaching way more people than Pump.Fun coins. Now look at these meme coins on Radium. They get a bunch of buyers, they pump, and that's why the Radium Dex is way better than Pump.Fun. The results speak for themselves. Just look at this, bro. Most coins on Radium get buyers, and that's why I launch my coins on launchmemes.io, and eyeing your Pump.Fun, bro, it's just way better. Now, to make a meme coin on launchmemes.io, you have a couple options. The first option is to create a coin from scratch. So just like Pump.Fun, if you have any narrative in mind, well, you can turn it into a meme coin. Just make sure you have a name, symbol, and image set for your meme coin, and then it's done. After these quick steps right here, well, your coin will be created and launched in front of a bunch of people. Or you can copy trending coins. This right here is what I made all my money from. It's my favorite method. Let me explain to you exactly why. Basically, every single meme coin here is going viral on Pump.Fun. They're all gaining a bunch of attention and a bunch of buyers since they already have good narratives. And instead of creating a coin from scratch, we're just going to be copying a coin here that is already going viral and relaunch that meme coin to Radium to get a bunch of buyers on our copy. Let me show you how to do it right now with a live launch. But anyways, let's copy a coin and try to make some money right now. So first of all, connect your Phantom wallet, right? And now let's copy a coin and see how much we can make. So I don't care about the narrative, they're all good, that's why these coins are here. Just copy one that you haven't copied already. I'm going to go for the meme torrent. I never copied this one before, so click on copy the Iridium. Your phantom will show up. Okay, you will get a warning. This is completely normal. Every Iridium launchpad will get this warning. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be minted on Solana. Just wait a couple seconds. And boom, now it's on the Solana blockchain. Everything is working as you guys can see. Here's the proof. And now let's create the liquidity pool so that our coin can go to Iridium. Let's create the supply. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. I do that for all my launches, and I highly recommend you to click on 90% for every single launch that you do. For the dev buy, for your amount of SO to pair, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SO here. This is how much you are buying in for yourself as a dev. Like that, you can have supply and make money from your meme coin. You are not going to lose anything here. If you want this Solana back, you can get it back at any moment. Okay, at the end when you cash out, it will come back to you. Click on create pool. Your phantom will show up. Ignore that, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be actually live and people will be able to buy in. As you guys can see, boom, click on refresh once and boom, our coin is now live. People can see it on Iridium and actually buy in. So let's go see the chart. I use Photon. You can go on any trading platform. Some people use Axiom, Novo, Terminal. It does not matter. And as you guys can see, it's already pumping a bit. Not too shabby. Boom, it's already pumping. People are buying in. This is exactly what I mean, guys. It's insanely profitable. Our coin is pumping so much. Let's go see how much we made already. Come back to launch memes. Click on refresh. We're already up $220. That is a great sign. Okay, we're making money. It's all that I matter. And as you guys can see, okay, it's pumping. All we have to do from now on is just let your coin pump. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we're at a 22.5k market cap, 19k now. We were at 30k market cap, but it's not a big deal. Let's cash out after like 5 minutes. Come back to launchmemes.io, click on refresh, just how much we're up, and oh my god, we're up $2.79,000. That's our profits currently. Let's cash this out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out of the meme coin. We should be fully out. Come on, boom, we just cash out. Now look at my phantom wallet. Boom, $2,800 straight inside my phantom wallet for educational purposes only, obviously. But yeah, bro, that's exactly how I make money. I just showed you the entire method from start to finish in front of your face. Launchmemes.io will be linked down below, bro. Just stay consistent, don't give up, and just launch over and over again, and peace out. And if you want to win 10 to 20 SO like this lucky winner right here, just like, subscribe, and comment, and join my free Telegram group down below, and you will be entered. I will pick randomly.